Hi, I'm Mike with Advanced RV, and I'm here in front of Kasita, another of our custom motorhomes for clients. There are a lot of things about Kasita that you might be interested in. There's some unique storage. There's a rear bathroom and a place to store his fishing rods and his sword. This is a kitty litter box, 2 waste baskets. It'll mount here if you're taking a shower outdoors. It's really exciting to see clients' enthusiasm. That's what keeps our people so fulfilled, is to see clients realizing their dreams, building what they vision. Shall we walk in for just we'll hit some of the highlights. Beautiful floor. The male Kasita owner does an Eastern sword ritual. He wanted us to put a place where his sword could store and it wouldn't rattle. So we made a receptacle at the bottom for the blade and put a cushion here. Of course, it's automatically lit. Another thing that we've done with Kasita is put a desk here. 110 outlets at the bottom and a nice light. A privacy curtain that just goes across from this side, and this side blocks out all the light. If you're camping, boondocking or something, you just close this, unless you're using the cab area and turn it around your seats. And then we have a simple curtain that covers all 3 windows in the front. So Italian isotherm, freezer drawer, and the fridge itself is very good sized. This has a large pantry. The galley is similar to a lot of them with a through cabinet here. There's a door in the back, a sturdy grab bar for going in and out, Moen faucet, deep sink. I think this is a quartz countertop. Now drawers are heavier, so we have to be careful not to build too heavy a unit, but this is a huge drawer for either kitchen equipment or clothes. And then this is even a bigger drawer, and in here they have right now an Instapot. This is the portable induction cooktop. And these are all tongue and groove drawers, hardwood, maple, and soft close. They have 2 waste baskets, one for recycle and one for waste. Cabinets along both sides, and since there's no taper in the back here, these cabinets are pretty large. This is a protector for the wall that magnetically goes to the ceiling, so if you happen to be cooking here, you won't have spillage and splatter. Very comfortable bed and couch area with 2 table mounts, so you can mount the table in either one of the positions, lagoon mounts. And then this bed frame slides out against this bed frame. This cushion set folds out like this and goes across. Pretty good length bed, probably 72 inches, I would say, maybe 73 or 4. The light switches and stuff are here. So all the lights inside and outside are available to each of the sleepers. Blackout curtains, which is something that as every van has. These are horizontal operation curtains on tracks. Pure latex mattresses, which is something that we always do, and it just makes the bed so comfortable. I think it's mostly the guy who is a fisherman, and one of the things he wanted to do was to make sure he had a place to store his fishing rods and his sword. And so we went to work. He had some idea of what he wanted, but we found these rod mounts. They're set up so there's no rattle. And in the back here is the rear guide, and they are magnet mounts. Now, one thing about Kasita is that it has a rear bathroom. Rear baths, some people like them because there might be a little more room here. You're taking up more room for the bath. But the other thing is it opens up the whole area between here and the galley. The slider door snaps so it doesn't rattle, and then it also latches with a double latch there to hold it. And when you're using it, it has a magnet here. Toilet paper holder, waterproof, macerating toilet. And these use more water than a typical flush toilet, but if you use them right and keep the macerating line full, you can minimize the amount of water that they use. Good quality toilet, big custom-made medicine cabinet with mirrors on it. And this is the shower that's set up. We made a little rattle-proof sock for that. It'll mount here if you're taking a shower outdoors. And this is a dead man switch, but it also can, if you flip it up, it'll leave water continuous. So it's a nice shower. There's a curtain that goes all the way around, so it protects the back doors from water. But if you're showering outside, you're not worried about that. This is a bug screen that zips down, so if you want to shower with behind a screen. Storage here, big storage here. This is a lighted cabinet with adjustable shelves. And the bottom shelf, or the bottom of this cabinet, this is a kitty litter box. It's removable. It's in a powder-coated aluminum liner. This is all custom made by Advanced RV. Under the sink, there's a huge amount of space. This is the max fan, so you can turn on the max fan in the bathroom if you have a steamy shower. Everybody has different ideas and different tastes, and we try to explore the practicality of them. In other words, we wanted to maintain the tank size in this, and the only way we could do it was to pump up to the tank locations. We have an extra macerator built into the toilet, and an extra bilge pump built into the shower pan, and that wasn't a bother to them, so they liked it. I mean, there are always trade-offs. If you wanted to take bicycles, there's no place for that unless you stick them between the beds, and then you got to move them out at night. So there are compromises, but if you have a good sense of how you want to travel, then you can configure to match that vision. Clients came, and I hope they don't mind my saying there were tears. They have tears of joy. And then when they look at the quality and the detail, they always find things that they didn't think about that our guys actually improved on. So it's really exciting to see clients' enthusiasm when they see this, and Kasita was no exception.